Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you are well. I am also well. This is Sanjay Pal, lecturer, Department of English, Government Rajendra College, Faridpur. Today, I am going to teach you English second paper topics narration. The name of the topics is narration. I hope you will try to realize these topics. Welcome to my online session. Narration. What is narration? The art of reporting the words of a speaker is called narration. That means narration is a style of speaking. There are two types of narration, one direct, another indirect. What is direct speech or direct narration? In this form, the actual words of the speaker are put in quotes. Example, Rohim said, invited comma, Shuru, I am very busy, invited comma, close. Okay. In this above sentence, the speaker, Rohim, is known as reporter, and said is known as reporting verb, and I am very busy now. This is called reported speech. Indirect speech. In this form, the actual words of the speaker are transformed and said or written in a simple manner. Example, Rohim said that he was very busy then. Now there is some basic rules to convert direct into indirect. That means there have some rules to convert direct speech to indirect speech. There are 5 basic things that have to be changed while converting a direct speech to an indirect speech. To change the reporting verb according to the reported speech, to remove the invited commas from the direct speech and replace them with an appropriate conjunction, to change the pronoun of reported speech accordingly, change the adverb of the direct speech. Active. Karim said to me, invited comma, I shall go to the picture today. I shall go to the picture today. When we convert it into indirect, then the answer is Karim told me that he would go to the picture that day. Now, how can we solve this, or how we write this answer? Now we can discuss this. Reporting verb said to is changed into told. Said to, there is said to. So we can use told, but if there is only said, we can use said. Inverted commas are replaced by the conjunction that. Reported speech pronoun I is changed into he. Reported speech verb shall go is changed into would go. As another sense, today is changed with the word that day. Today is adverb. In my previous page, since the adverb direct speech. Reported speech shall go into would go. Pronoun I is changed he. Okay. Now, rules of sense of pronouns. Nominative, possessive, objective, reflexive. I. Possessive my, objective me, reflexive myself. These are very important to convert direct into indirect. So all should memorize this or realize this. We, our, us, ourselves, you, yours, you, yourself, he, his, him, himself, she, her, herself, they, their, them, themselves. Okay. First person changes to subject. First person changes to subject of reporting verb. Second person changes to object of reporting verb. Third person is no sense. If it is third person, there is no sense. That means third person is not changed. Second person is followed object. First person subject. Okay. Rule number 1. First person pronoun of reported speech is changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Direct. She says, I am in 10th class. Indirect. She says that I, first person, so first person is followed subject of reported verb. Here reported verb says subject she. Here I is first person, so followed subject she. So I in this sentence I is a subject. So subject she. She is 10th in class. As usual, I say I am honest man. So I is first person, so it is followed by subject I. So the answer is I say that I am an honest man. Number 2, the second person pronoun of reported speech is changed according to object of reporting verb. She says to me. Here reporting verb says. So subject she and object me. You is second person, so you is followed by object. Here you is subject, so me is object. So the subjective form of me or nominative form of me is I. So she tells. Here says to, we know that said to, if there is said to, we used told, and If there is says to, we can use tells or says to, as you wish. You can use. So I have done my work. Here your is possessive form. So me, I, my is possessive form. So, such as she says to her, you have done. So you is second person. Here is object. Sorry, her is object. So we can use the subjective form her is she, or nominative form she. Okay. The third example is same. Okay, then number 3. Third person pronoun of reported speech is not changed. Third person pronoun of reported speech is not changed. This is very much important. I think these 3 rules are very important to change narration or narrative mode or direct into indirect. Direct, he says he does not. Here he is third person, so we cannot sense. So the answer is he says that he does not work hard. As usual, you can see the another example. Okay, next. Rules of sense of verb or tense. Number 1. If reporting verb is given in present or future tense, then there will be no sense in the verb or tense. If reporting verb is given in present tense or future tense, then there will be no sense in the verb or tense of reported speech. This is very much important. This is very much important. Okay, such as the teacher says Ronnie performs on the stage. Here teacher says this is present indefinite, so we cannot sense. So we can only sense the pronoun, the adverb, and we cannot sense the verb or tense. Only sense pronoun and adverb. Okay. The teacher says that Ronnie performs on the stage. Then the teacher is saying that this is present continuous. The teacher will say this is future indefinite. So we cannot sense this example, because if reporting verb is given in present tense or future tense, we will not be sensed in the verb or tense of reported speech. This is very much important. Number 2, if reporting verb is given in past tense, then the tense of verb of reported speech will change into corresponding past tense. Okay. If there is past tense, reporting verb is past tense, then tense, pronoun or adverb, everything is changed. Now, the direct speech, the teacher said, this is past tense. So, inverted comma, I am suffering from fever, inverted comma clause. Indirect, the teacher said that I, first person, so subject. Here is a mistake. This is she. Here is no. There is a mistake. I think there is a mistake. So The second example is correct. We follow this second example. She said to me, I first person, so she had. Took, past indefinite tense. Okay, she said to me, this is also past indefinite tense. So said to. Then there is some rules how we changed simple present tense changes to simple past. If there is simple present, change to simple past. If there is present continuous, change to past continuous. Present perfect to past perfect. Present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous. Simple past, past perfect. Past continuous, past perfect continuous. Shall, will changes to would. Can change to could. May change to might. Also a mistake at might, might, might. Okay. Some exceptional case of rules too. There is some exceptional for rules too. Okay. First one, if reporting speech has universal truth or habitual fact, then there is no sense. There is universal truth or habitual fact, there is no sense in the tense. But person or pronoun or adverb is always changed. Our teacher said, the earth is round, inverted comma, and the earth is round, inverted comma, close. So the earth is round, it is universal truth, so we cannot sense. So the answer is, our teacher said that the earth is round. Okay, you can see the second example. Then number 2, if reporting speech has past historical fact, then there is no sense. If there is past historical fact, there is no change. Our teacher said, Ashok left where? Ashok left where? This is a historical truth. This is the historical, past historical truth. So there is no sense. You can see. Third, if reporting speech has two action, there is two action to be happening at a time. Two action to be happening at a time when there is no sense. Two action is happening at the same time, so there is no sense. She said, my wife was making lunch when I was studying. So this is two action, and this two action is happened at the same time. So there is no sense. You can see there is no sense. Only person or pronoun or adverb will changed or changed. Number 4, if reporting speech has some imagined condition, then there is no sense. There is something imagination, there is no sense. So you can see, she said, if I were rich, I would help him. If I were rich, I would help him. This is imagination, if I were rich. So there is no sense. Number 5, if reporting speech contains held third form to infinitive and would, could, should, must, might, ought to, etc., then there is no sense. If there is infinitive to or would or could or should or must or might or ought to, then there is no sense. She said to me, you should obey your elders. So there is no sense, but person or pronoun or adjective are changed. You should always remember it. Person or pronoun and adverb are changed. So this is those are very important. I think all should memorize or realize this those. Okay, here direct, here indirect, there, now, then, this, that, this, those, today, that day, tonight, that night, yesterday, the previous day. These are very much important. Thank you.